welcome on board. I hope so you all are doing well. Okay, I'm just opening AutoCAD 2018. I have registered it as you can see. Okay, so this is notification window. Yeah, I just highlighted it for you. Now I'm going to open some tutorials. I have prepared some presentation, and tutorial number one will be this topic is user interface. Okay, and by the way, welcome to learn and entertain yourself. We are about to get started. Okay. Now this is the table of contents. As you can see, application menu, quick access toolbar, ribbon, editor elements, status bar, file tab, layout tab, shortcut menu, drop down menu, toolbars, palettes, quick view drawings, quick view layout, info centers. These are the 14 topics that we are going to cover. Okay, let's start it. At first, it is user interface. The first thing that you might see after launching an AutoCAD is this application menu. As you can see, the A right, yeah, it's in the top left of the top left corner. When you second click on this, a drop down menu appears. Well, you can see here you will be having open new drawings. Here you can also convert the drawing. Here you will be having the recent drawings, or you want to open a drawing, you can get through this. Just single click on it and you will get that. But there is also a tip. If you double click on the this A, so what you will have is that it will close up and it will shut down. So do not double click on this A. Well, with a single left click you can get this menu. Perfect. Here are also some sample files. You can see you can also recover some file from some areas. So this A, let's get to the AutoCAD. Okay, I'm going to show you in AutoCAD where it is lying. I'm opening a drawing. Yeah. Okay. Now let's get started. You can see this A. This is application menu. Just by single click over it, you will get it will pop up things that you will see. Okay. Now as you can see, is new, open, save. You can save as. You can also import some drawing, export it, publish it. Yeah, here you will having the open the if you want to open a file. The recent file are also here. So this is simply okay. So this is we will discuss this later. This is quick access toolbar. We will discuss this one later on. But these are the things that we need to know. The second slide is that search command. Well, it also appeared when you click on the application menu, so that's why I put it in the application menu. You can see if you want to type a partial or full command, you will get this. But this is helpful when you can't quite remember the command name or its location. Well, it's helpful for that time. As the image you can see, I have searched the word line and I put it, and I have all the get relevant data regarding the line. Okay, so I'm going to show that in AutoCAD. Yeah, here. Let's see. I'm going to type line. Yeah, that's it. Here you can see there are all the possible results of the line. They will also show you how to open the line, because you can see there are so many possible ways to draw the line command, to put the line command, and there are so many possible ways. You can just directly click on the line in the ribbon. So it was showing all the possible ways. I just click on the ribbon, the line command, and see the line just get draw. Okay, I'm again typing the line command, and I'm going to show you. See, this was the this was from the ribbon that I have just used it. So you can type as well. Now let's get to another topic. This is quick access toolbar. Right next to the top, at the top of the user interface, in the title bar, we have right next to the application menu, you will find this quick access toolbar. Well, it contains the following commands, that is open, new, save. You can also put redo, print, and redo. These are all the commands, and also you can customize this as well. It depends upon the user. If he desires to change it, you can change it, because sometimes the user desires, so it can meet the desired setting. Solely up to you. I'm going to show you in AutoCAD. Here you can see right next to the application menu, this is quick access toolbar. So as you can see, this is new. Yeah, I just highlighted it for you. You can see this is new, this is redo, undo. Okay, let's now move to the next topic. This is ribbon. Well, ribbon is a user interface tool. It appears in AutoCAD 2009 and latest version, because people likes it very much, so that's why now in every AutoCAD you will be having this ribbon. Its basically it is organized into tabs and panels. It can be heavily customized, but it depends upon the end user. So contextual tabs are powerful. They appear in the panels and commands and options regarding to whatever the task at hand and or whatever the entity is selected. So for example, let's discuss if there is a hatch object is selected, a contextual table with hatch editing commands appear automatically. You can see these are the tabs, and below the tab there is a panel. You just click over it, it will get expand. Yeah, this is a home tab, and this is a draw. You just click on the draw panel. So left click on the draw panel, it will expand, and if you want to pin the panel, just click over it. Now let me show you this. Yeah, this is the ribbon. These are the tabs and these are the panels. You just click over it. You can also pin this panel. Here are the list of the commands. You can see spline TV, construction lines. Just move the mouse over it, the arrow over it. You will get to know what this command is exactly, because they will put you some notifications. Okay, let's move to next topic then. So these are all the same. Okay, now let's discuss about the end editor elements. Well, inside the drawing area, you will be finding these things, okay, like the viewport, and the location is, and the visibility of each of these can be controlled by the user. Okay, the viewport controls allow you to change the dimensions. Now you can see visual styles can be changed through here. For example, I'm going to select conceptual. So what happens? 3D display performance notifications. Okay, so because it needs some graphics, so that's why you can change it. So here you will be having different options. For example, X-ray, you are having different options. You can select it. So this was in editor elements, and this whole area, the black, you can see this is the drawing area. And what we have done is that we have changed the viewport controls. Okay, now let's move to the other topic. This is the view cube, and this is also in the introductory elements in the upper right, from which you can change the view. For example, universal coordinate system, you can select the your own coordinate system as well. You can make your own. So this is what the view cube will show you. You can change the dimensions, you can change the coordinate system. For example, I'm selecting on the just click over the top, so you see you can move the coordinates from x to y to z, from different, you have having different. I'm going to make it to its own. I'm going to take it to its own place. Yeah, here you can see you can make your own coordinates as well, just by putting 0 0, or where you want to be your own coordinates, new coordinates, so you can create a new one as well. So it depends up to you. Now I'm going to undo these all. Well, this is just a user interface. Here you will be just get to know what are these things, what are the tabs, what are the view cube, you could view points, power controls. Now let's discuss about the navigation bar. Just give you control of zooming and panning and orbiting and more. Lastly, in the lower left hand corner is the universal coordinate icon. You can see here. Okay, this is the navigation bar. Let me turn. Yeah, this one is the navigation bar. Okay, you can just click over it. Yeah, this is a pen. You can move it with the hand like you want to. You can zoom it. So here, everything you can change the orbits, whatever you want to do. Here you can do with this navigation bar. They are different, as you can see that when I just put the arrow over it, it will give me all the dimensions. Okay, there you can also get that cube. Okay, I just get the wheel. Here you can also use through this wheel as well if it's possible for you to use, but I will recommend not to use this wheel because sometimes person might get confused with it. So yeah, you can see universal coordinate icon. Let me show you the clients operate. It's simple. You can see while I was changing the coordinates, you saw that the z coordinate will get, sometime it get appeared, sometime it get disappeared. So what I was doing, I was just changing the orbits, the coordinates, just changing the system, the plan view, for example, top view, etc. Now let's discuss about the status bar. Moving to the bottom of the application, you will see the status bar. Well, it appears in AutoCAD 2015. Before that, it wasn't existing. So now they have, because the users like it very much. So now from AutoCAD later on 15 and every new one, you will find this status bar. By default, several icons are not enabled. You might need to turn them on. We believe Autodesk does not because a small monitor, all of the icon may not fit across on one row, but the icon will wrap up to a text. You can see, just click over it, you will get the, yeah. I'm going to show you. This is now the status bar. By default, some options are enabled, but some of them you need to enable it. For example, I am clicking on the line weight. As you can see, when I click on the line weight, it get appears. Yeah, this is now you can see. I'm just removing the grid, and sometime I so just click over it, and it will change the color and it will get appear. Now move to the next slide. This is the file tabs. Well, file tab provide you access to all open documents in a minimal amount of space. Okay, each open document has its own tab. Left click on the tab, you will make it current, and right click on the tab, you will get different options. For example, as you can see, this is the drawing. Just click on this plus, you will get a new drawing area, and you get a new drawing. So this is very easy. Just left click on it, you will make it current, and when you put the right click over it, you will having different options. For example, new, open, save all, close. You will having different options. So this is the tab file tabs. Sometimes people call it tabs file. Yes, I have already mentioned that if you just click on the plus, you will get a new drawing area, new drawing tabs as well. Now here is also a layout tab. Layout tab provides you access to model space. For example, each layout in a given document, just click the left while you click the left one, you will make it curved, and if you click the right click on over it, you will be having different options. Okay, now let me show you them all, the layout tab as well. Okay, let's move to, it looks like I'm just appearing, clicking on the Camtasia. Okay, layout tab just simply provide you an access. You can make it current. You can see, you can rename it as well. There is always a tab that containing a plus. For example, if you want to create a new tab as well, so just click over it, you will get a new tab. Now these are the layout tabs. You can also make it current. For example, it depends, customize. For example, the user want to print a layout. For example, if you want to print a layout of an ID diagram, different. It depends up to you. For example, you want to put a layout of only a piping section, is different. So it will depend. So you can make a new layout tab, just print it, or you can just make it current. Now let's discuss about the shortcut menu. By default, with no command active, if you right click on the drawing editor area, you will find this shortcut menu. This pop-up menu contains recent commands and other common commands. You can customize this menu as well. More likely, user interface item, other items. Okay, if there is a command active, it will show you all. Just right click. As you can see, it show me all the recent command that I have used. For example, I have used the zoom command, pin. I also changed the layout control. So these all are here. Now let's move to the next slide. This is the drop down menu. Some people call it pull down menu. Have been in AutoCAD around beginning of the AutoCAD, almost along before Windows was a platform. At top level, clickable name reveals commands and or submenu below. These commands support macros and also even auto list statement. Okay, let me show you this drop down menu. It looks like I have already it is already appeared in my screen. Just type the menu bar in the command area and then press 1, so you will get it will get appear in the just above the tabs. Okay, I just typed it, but it already in my I have already appeared. It looks like it already here. It's already present here. So what will I do is that I will make it hide at first. As you can see, there are different options: file, edit, view, insert, format. So this line is just below the title menu. This, yeah. Okay, let me hide it for the first time. Let me hide this drop down menu. sometimes people call it pull down menu. As you can see now it's hide. So there are two ways to make it available. For example, you can just click here and make it hide, tick over it, or you can also do is just have the menu bar. Okay, I'm typing menu bar and then press 1. You can see here you go, it get appeared, so there are different ways. Now let's discuss about the toolbar. Toolbar go back to the early 1990s in AutoCAD. They are the panel that contain buttons or drop-down list. Each button contains the icon and a microform command or micro. Okay, toolbars can be floating or docked. It depends if you want to move it. Okay, types of type toolbar in a command bar also different ways. If you want to type it, you can also get that command as well. You just click on the toolbar, you will get that as well. Here you can see the line different are here. So as it's already available, so what will I do? I will make it disappear first. Okay, let me do that. It's already here, so just type the toolbar. You can also customize it. So here the user can customize these settings as well. When you type the toolbar, you will be having two options. One will be like this one. Okay, if you click this one, then just write the draw here, type draw. Okay, I'm typing show. As you can see, this is not found. So what I have to do is this is not the way I'm doing. Let me redo it again. Okay, let me tell you something more as well. In the drawing area, type the draw and then select show. Simple. A screen will be pop up and which the toolbar can be then customized. The screen can be that screen view yourself. Okay, let me do it. Let me remove the toolbars first. Now I'm going to type the toolbar here in the command bar area. Now okay, let's just type draw here, click over the show. It gets appear here. So sometime in some AutoCAD the toolbar it disappear and the person might get confused over it. So there are so many possible ways to make it appear. Okay, now let's discuss about the palettes. There are various palettes available in AutoCAD. Palettes can be a special screen that can be docked, floating, and may be collapsed, not in use. So it solely depends on you. You can move it, you can drag it where you want to, you can extend its size, whatever you want to. So it totally solely depends upon you. Yeah, there are different palettes. For example, properties palettes, the layer palettes. We are having different palettes. Command palettes. This is the tool palettes. Tool palettes contain button to insert like blocks, execute commands, create hatches. Just name a few items user are free to use. Okay, now for example, let me press Control and 3. Here you go. I just got a tool palette over here. Now these tool palettes we are having different commands, and also for example in construction drawing I want to use a door, so I just click over here and I can also get those doors and other possible that I need for mechanical, for example in electrical. So all possible possible. For example, if I want to measure is also here. You just click here, you will find different for construction as well. This one was the tool palette. This is now the sheet set manager. Sheet set manager is a tool that allows you to organize sheets. Where it's easy for you to print and you can make it archive as well. So just gonna type Control 4. You will get this sheet menu. You are having different options over here. Okay, just now I'm going to remove. Well, this is just a user interface. You just need to know the things. We will next tutorials we will be learning them. For example, quick view drawings. Below file tab, there was a quick view tab, although no longer enabled by default in the user interface element. Now let me type QVD here. As you can see, there is only one drawing, so as you can see, the drawing is here. For example, let me create a new drawing. Okay, now I'm going to type a quick view drawing. As you can see, now I'm having drawing 1 and drawing 3. And also for each drawing there is a separate layout and a model they are present here. So just type the QVD in the command bar, you will get that. Well, this is the way how to how to draw them. Okay, now we will discuss about the quick view layout introduced. Okay, first of all Let me arrange them. Okay. Now I'm going to type I'm going to remove the drawing. Now I'm going to type a QVL. Now as you can see, this is the quick view layout. I am having a quick view layout of the possible drawings. Well, introduce a sort of replacement for layout tabs. Now I'm going to discuss about the info center. Info center has been found through a few iterations and name changes since it was introduced. It resides in the title bar menu on the right side. Okay, just to the left of the window control button. It also contains help search bar. Now let me show you the info bar. If you can see, info center is here in the title. It appears in the title menu. Okay, you can make it also. You can also press this help. Well, in this help you need to search, for example, if you need any help. So also you can also get all the information over here. I'm just typing the line, so I will get all the information related to line. You can sign in. If you sign, it will be possible for you to open your lines in other areas. Oh, these slides I have put a star over it. These are not important, but still some people might need to know. For example, this used to appear in the older versions. So for example, if you were in 20s or roundabout, so what will you be used to do is image title menu will be using to use as a tool palette. They were largely replaced, but now they are replaced by tool palettes and design center around AutoCAD 2000 era. So these were the old things. Okay, by the way, thank you for watching, and don't forget to share. Well, there's a quote of the day which says that sharing is caring by Diamond Truth Quotes. Thank you for watching this video.